pressure washing. We also provide floor care, stripping and waxing. And that's what we're doing right now. Just removing some old wax so we can lay down some fresh wax. And we also provide house cleaning, pressure washing your siding on your home, your bricks, your walkways, driveways, pool areas, basically anything that can be pressure washed, we do it. So once again, I'm just removing the old wax so we can apply some fresh wax. You see me stopping in one area because there are certain markings on the floor that needs a little bit more work than others. I don't stay on no one area too long. It's well done pressure washing.